Hello, once again, welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you could create a flyer or a banner, basically, in Photoshop. And you can see I have some banners here that I've created. These are samples of the banners I've created. So quickly, let me walk you through how I actually developed this. So the first thing we need to do is to create your new folder. Okay, the size we're going to be using is the size we're going to be using for our folder is with 300 for our banner, sorry, is with 300 and 200. Then you click create. Okay, so here we are. Okay, um this is what we're trying to achieve, so let me bring this close here. All right, so now there are a lot of documents, the files that I've already coupled, and you can download for your own testing in the description below. Just check the description below and you see the files I used for this design, and you can download and actually test, do your own design alongside with the video. So part of the 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 elements that you need to import are this milk splash and this peak combination of products. So now I have them in my desktop already, so I'll just select them, this and this, then I just drag them into the Photoshop platform and I drop it. So it will load them automatically. Then okay, once it has loaded the milk splash, then you click OK. Then it will load the product, then click OK. All right, so the next thing we need to do is to create this background. You can see this sky blue background. So we'll create another layer. This is the layer down here. Click layer, then you select your foreground picture. And okay, sorry, let's select our background, which is this. Let's turn it to white. Then you click OK. Then you paste. Then you select your paint bucket too. Then selecting your layer, then you can see it has been converted to blue. Now you can notice that there's some part of this background is blue, light blue, some parts are white. Okay, that's the reason why I changed this foreground and this background. You can see my foreground is light blue, my background is white. So what I need to do is select this background and double click on it. When you double click on it, it will open the properties, the layer style properties. Then you select gradient overlay. You can see automatically it turns into that. In case if you don't get the exact feel of it, you can just select this gradient here. and click on this first one. If you click on this second one, it gives you only the blue with the transparent background, but with this it gives you both the background and the foreground together. So you can see that that's that. Then you can reduce the opacity, that's the sensitivity of the gradient, but for the purpose of this tutorial I will leave it as 100%. Then you click OK. All right, you can see it's beginning to look like what we want. All right, so next thing is we need to reposition this. That's the product. Then we need to give this product shadow. We need to give it a shadow. You can see there's a shadow underneath the product. So we select the product, which is this, then we double click on it to bring out the properties, the layer style properties, as we did for the gradient before. So here you select drop shadow. You can see, if you can see the shadow is out. If you select shadow, you can see the shadow came out. But if you notice the shadow is a bit scattered, you want to be beneath the product, not just around the body of the product. So let's increase the opacity of shadow to give us more clarity of what we're doing. So you can reduce red. You can increase the size of it. Okay, now let's reduce the size. Let's yes, you can see the distance. Okay, so it is not a bit away from the product, which is like shadow effect they were trying to get. So you just play around with this to make it look more realistic. Okay, you can see it's looking more realistic now. So with these settings, you can see the distance is 5, your spread is 22. Then opacity, then let's use the opacity because shadows are not always this black. Yeah, shadows are actually not this black. Okay, so we can reduce the spread a bit because it's looking a bit too much for me. All right, okay, this is looking more like what I need. It's looking more like what I need. Okay, so you can see it's looking more realistic now. The shadow is not too far and it's not too near, and it's not too spread, it's not too wide. So you click OK, then you're done with that. Then the next thing we need to do is to adjust this milk splash. Okay, you set the milk splash and press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Then you can enlarge it. So that the milk splash can cover. Then you can rotate it. Just place your cursor on the extreme edges, and to change, if you put it on the edge, it shows up and down arrow, but if you move it a bit, it is show